Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss Asian Paint, which is a market leader since last 50 years in the paint industry. We are going to do a detailed analysis of Asian Paint, which includes fundamental, financials and technical analysis, and we will see how much potential is available in Asian Paints. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will learn how to do a detailed analysis of any company and how to identify the value buying opportunity in the stock market. So let's start our discussion. So from paint industry, we have already made a video on Berger Paint. You can watch that video also to see how much potential is available in Berger Paint. Today we are going to discuss Asian Paint, which is a market leader in the paint industry, which is 3 times the size of Berger Paint. So Asian Paint has been set up in 1942, and Asian Paint Group is the largest paint manufacturer in India, which is also engaged in the business of manufacturing of varnishes, enamels, lacquers, surfacing preparation, organic composite, solvents and thinners. So these are the products which they manufacture in addition to the paint segment. As far as their market reach is concerned, it operates in 15 countries and has 26 paint manufacturing facilities in the world, and they are serving in more than 60 countries through these 26 manufacturing facilities. And in addition to that, it also manufactures metal sanitary ware such as bath, sink, wash basin and similar articles. So recently they have also entered in the home decor and interior design category with the introduction of lighting, furnishing and furniture. So they are continuously diversifying the product portfolio in recent past, and because of that they are able to increase their market reach and the market share under paint industry and different segment which we have just discussed. So other key point like revenue breakup, decorative coating contributes 83.70%, and industrial coating contributes marginal 2.40%. International operation contributes 11.60% of revenue, and recently added home improvement services, which contributes 2.30% of revenue. So their main revenue comes from the decorative coating, which is equivalent to almost 84%. So as we all know, they are the market leader in the paint industry. So they are third largest paint company in Asia and 9th largest coating company in the world. And Berger Paint stands at 10th largest coating company in the world. So as they have founded in 1942, they are the market leader since 50 plus years in the paint industry. Again, in addition to the paint industry, they are also the leading wallpaper manufacturers under the brand Nilaya. As I already mentioned, they are 3 times the size of Berger Paint, and because of that it is mentioned here 3x of the nearest competitor in India. So paint business, the group enjoys a dominant market share of over 50% in the organized domestic market share, and the second largest player, that is Berger Paint, has a market share of only 16%. In the decorative paint segment, which comprises of 70 to 75% of the Indian paint industry, the group has a share of about 60%, a healthy market share in the Indian domestic paint market. It also has a healthy position in automotive industrial coating segment with a market share of about 20%. And because of these only, Asian Paint is one of the largest company and the market leader since 50 years. So we have seen the diversified product portfolio Asian Paint. So they have also entered into the kitchen businesses. So the industry has been witnessing a shift towards branded modular kitchen solution from local carpenters and interior designer. And because of that only, because of the huge demand of this segment, Asian Paint has decided to enter into this segment. And because of that, the company forayed into the kitchen business by acquiring 51% stake in Sleek in FY 2013-14. And during FY 17-18, the company acquired the remaining 49% stake in Sleek from the previous promoter to make it a wholly owned subsidiary. So this segment has a huge potential for company, as an overall market in India estimated to be worth more than 15,000 crore and is fragmented market with many unorganized players. Now the third segment of Asian Paint is bath business. So Asian Paint forayed in the bath business by acquiring the front-end business of SS in FY 14-15. And over the year, company has expanded its network footprint as well as the range of product it offers. So although the paint segment has contributed 83% of revenue, in addition to that, they have 2 different verticals, that is kitchen business and the bath business, which they have recently entered in the last 4 or 5 years as a a strategic business and a strategic asset. So this was about the fundamentals of the company, and we have seen it has been a market leader since 50 plus years. Now let's analyze the financials of the company and see how Asian Paint has performed in the last few years. So market capitalization of Asian Paint is 2,98,709 crore, that is equivalent to 3 lakh crore. ROCE of company is 34.5, which is equivalent to 35%. So that is a very healthy ROCE the company is posting. Debt to equity is marginal 11%, so that is very much manageable. The promoter holding stands at 52.6%, and if we talk about the profit of last 12 months, it stands at 3,255 crore. In addition to that, company is also generating free cash flow of 3,429 crore in the last 1 year. Now the two important parameters, that is the sales growth of last 5 years and the profit of last 5 years. So sales growth of last 5 years stands at 8.76%. Again, that is a stagnant growth it has shown over the period of 5 years. And the profit growth stands at 12.5%, which is a very good profit growth of company like Asian Paint. So for any large cap company, the profit growth of more than 10% is a very good profit growth, and which Asian Paint has given in the last 5 years. As far as the quarterly result is concerned, in March 2019, the revenue was just 5,000 crore, and as on December 2021, the revenue stands at 8,527 crore. So in last 12 quarters, they have just doubled their revenue, and it has shown a consistent growth and the exponential growth in last 12 quarters. Now, as far as the operating profit is concerned, so in last 4 quarters, the operating profit has been decreased from 20%, currently stands at 18%. This reduction in the operating profit is because of two reasons. One is the high inflation in the past few months, and the raw material prices has been increased in last few months. And because of that, the operating profit has been reduced. But going forward, they are going to pass this inflation and the increase in the raw material prices to their consumers. Operating profit will be increased going forward. Now, as far as the net profit is concerned, so in March 2019, the net profit was 472 crore, and as on December 2021, the net profit stands at 1016 crore. So last year in December 2020, it has posted the highest ever net profit, which was 1238 crore, and again it has posted the similar net profit as on December 2021. So the net profit, which was reduced because of the lower operating profit, again it is showing the same net profit compared to the last year. So which is a good sign for the company. Now, as far as the profit and loss statement is concerned, so in March 2010, the revenue was just 6,434 crore. And since last 10-11 years, it has shown a consistent growth. And currently the revenue stands at 21,713 crore as on March 2021. But if you can see the trailing 12 months of revenue, it stands at 27,860 crore. As far as the net profit is concerned, the net profit in 2010 was just 836 crore, and in March 2021, the net profit stands at 3,139 crore. So they have again shown a consistent growth as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned in the last 10 years. Now let's look at the balance sheet. So we have already seen the debt to equity ratio stands at 11%, and the reserves has been consistently increased from 1,614 crore to 12,407 crore as on September 2021. And in addition to that, they have also increased the fixed asset, means the manufacturing capacity over the last 10 years, which has currently stands at 5,687 crore. Now, as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, so promoter holds 52.63% as on December 2021, and FII holds 20.48%, DII holds 7.15%, and public holds 19.68%. So the public holding has been marginally decreased from 21.32% to 19.68% in last 12 quarters, and FII holding has been increased from 16.33% to 20.48% in last 12 quarters, which is a very good sign as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned. So we have seen the financials of the company. The company has shown a consistent growth in terms of revenue and net profit. And the key financials like ROCE, the company is posting a very healthy ROCE. And also, they have consistently generating the free cash flow, and those free cash flow which are generated by the company, they are consistently reinvesting that to increase their capacity of the manufacturing facility, which is a very, very important sign. And because of that only, since last 50 years, the company has grown exponentially. And because of that, it has been market leader since many, many years. And it is one of the largest paint company in India. So the fundamentals and the financials are very good, but because of the recent market correction, the stock prices has been available at a very good valuation, and with the correction, it is currently trading near the 200-day moving average. Let's analyze the technicals of the Asian Paint and see how much potential is available in Asian Paint. So this is the chart of Asian Paint, and if you can see, the stock is currently trading at a very strong resistance and support price level of 3115. So this was the resistance point, and it has taken multiple resistance at the same price level. And after giving a small breakout from this price level, the stock has taken multiple support at the same price level. And because of that, it is currently trading at a strong resistance and support line. So as an investor, I already hold Asian Paint for long-term investment of 10 years under my coffee can investment portfolio. But in this video, we are going to discuss the short-term target of Asian Paint through our swing trading analysis. Asian Paint has posted the all-time high price level of 3587. And after that, because of the overall market correction, the stock prices has been corrected by huge percentage. After posting the all-time high price level, the stock has been corrected by almost 25 to 26%. So recently it has given a small rally of 19 to 20% in last 1 month. Now, as far as the technical chart pattern is concerned, so Asian Paint has recently formed a reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is a neckline of price level 3344, and this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So it has formed a reverse head and shoulder pattern. On basis of reverse head and shoulder pattern, if we can take the depth of the head up to the neckline and take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our short-term target of price level 3831. So from current price level up to the price level of 3831, there is a direct potential available of 23%. As I already mentioned, I am an investor in Asian Paint for a long-term investment of next 10 years under my coffee can portfolio. But in this video, we have analyzed Asian Paint stock on basis of our technical analysis, and the stock has formed a reverse head and shoulder pattern, and this is a short-term target which is currently available in Asian Paint. So let me again repeat the target for you. So the target price is 3831 with a direct potential available of 23%, and this small target can be achieved in few months of time. Because of that, I have invested some more money for this short-term target of 3831. But again, when I'm saying I'm a buyer and investor in Asian Paint, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence before investing in the stock market. But I hope you have understand how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis of a stock and identify the value buying opportunity, which we have just identified in Asian Paint. And we are doing the same kind of analysis in all of our video. So I hope you are learning a lot from these video. So I would like to share a very important point here. Whenever there is a combination of a strong business and a strong financial, and at the same point, if the stock is available below the 200-day moving average, and because of the market correction, if it is available at a very good valuation, then it is a very good opportunity to invest in such type of fundamentally great companies and earn a good potential gain from these type of fundamental good company. This is one of the simplest strategy to invest in the stock market and earn the profit out of the stock market. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.